Oh, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. Unfortunately, my toilet has bit the bricks. I've been spending all afternoon trying to fix it, put new parts in it. As you can see there, it's not sealing. It's not properly leveled. It's just a complete nightmare to try to fix. I ended up putting a new seat on it and everything when I moved into my house. The handle's shot. Like, everything is just garbage on this thing. So I'm going to keep the guts from it. Though I paid about 13 Canadian, about 25 for the flush valve. And the flapper and all that came separate on the fill holes or whatever. Anyways, I'm going to be ripping that toilet out. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you how to install the new one. Alright, once you have the old toilet removed, to remove it you just take off these bolts here. Take off the old wax seal, lift the toilet there and bring it outside. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the new toilet and then I'm going to show you how to install it. Alright, so how to install the new toilet. What you want to do is obviously first put down your wax gasket. When you put down your wax gasket, you do so, and you must buy a new wax gasket every time you swap out a toilet or put a new toilet in. It seals the bowl from leaking down at the bottom. So this part goes on the bottom and your toilet will sit on there. Before I get to that step, we have to connect the toilet tank to the toilet bowl. Which is pretty straightforward. Put on your seal right at the bottom there. Make sure that's on nice. Don't want to damage the porcelain. Ooh, there's a big crack on the front here. I think that's why they discontinued it. They're so cheap. But hey, who am I to judge? A deal's a deal. So you want to make sure you have all the proper stuff. You know. Take off the nut here. Put it in the tank. Put this at the bottom. And you want to put your nut in the screw. To the back of the tank. You gotta make sure the tank is also level, or else it will not flush right. Nor will it keep watering. Well, it won't fill right, sorry. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is install the handle on the back of the toilet. Need to take off this back piece here. Slide it through. And then you want to put this nut back on. Take off the washer. Has to have flush with the bowl. The rubber washer on the back. Everything's opposite. So you want to adjust it right where it looks normal to flush. I'm sure everyone's flushed the toilet before. So it stays in place. And you want to, hope you guys can see all that. Let's go right over top of the bowl here. Now, you want it to have a little bit of slack. Middle, far end, whatever. Perfectly. Quick, easy flush like that. Now you want to install the toilet seat. Just fairly simple. Okay, so I don't have to lift any pins or anything like other models. It's pretty straightforward here. I thought these had to come off. So these install fairly simple, like everything else. Right now, to install the toilet, what you want to do is open up the flaps. Sometimes they're forward, sometimes they're backwards. Slide it through there. So you take off the washer, and the washer goes behind the grip. So we're going to put have a washer before. And you want to screw it in. You can pretty much hand tighten these, or you can take you're going to have to take a drill or a flathead to get these on. And yeah, we'll move to the next step. Alright, so now we're going to put the wax gasket on, like such. My toilet came with new screws. These ones are all corroded, so we're going to put the new screws in, and then we're going to put the toilet on. Alright, now that you got the toilet on, you have to level it now. The wax is fresh, and I recommend that you use a leveler and put the bowl back on the back. Like such. And then I suggest you take something to level the toilet to make sure that when you screw each bolt in back and forth, that the toilet is level. So go back and forth, like as if you were tightening, bolts on a car. You know, you go like a star pattern, back and forth, back and forth. You want to even it out as you tighten it, and then you want to connect the hose line, and then we will test out the toilet to see how it works and adjust the fill valve and everything. All right, now that everything's installed, the last thing we want to do is test her out and see how she runs. So take the lid off. Make sure you connect the hose line or the water line tight, securely. Now we can adjust. You can twist this to adjust the water line, because this is a new toilet. You're not going to be able to see where the water line stops, so you want to make sure that your waste and everything gets flushed down once and not a couple of times, and you don't want it to use too much water. So as you see, I have the chain at the very end for slack. Makes for a nice easy flush, and there you have it. Check for leaks. You don't want to have any leaks coming from the top. Make sure that the wax is sealed good. It'll settle in place. Don't tighten it too tight. You will crack the porcelain. Like this damage here. Oh. Might have to return this toilet because it is. Looks like it's leaking. Oh, yeah. So this might have to be returned because there's a huge crack in it. Oh, that's unfortunate. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos as I try to upload not so often. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.